Up next in the tire change contest, we have Autumn. Now, she doesn't often change her own flats because she usually bullies me into changing them. So we'll see how she does.
Keep your expectations low.
Ready?
Yep.
Go.
Oh God.
All right, she's out. We have 44 seconds. Going back in.
This is why I have you do it.
It's much easier when you have someone else do it, isn't it?
Yeah. Delicate little thumbs can't handle this. But you know, I've been watching everyone this whole time. Picked up on a few things.
Yeah, learning what mistakes to avoid.
Yeah. I thought I was doing good by not fully deflating the tube. Ah, shit.
Fine line.
You should show everyone the difference between your thumbs and my thumbs at the end of this. I think the first time you made me change a tire, I cried. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, that sounds potentially accurate.
Ow.
Right, almost there. Come on, you work a bike shop now.
Yeah, do the events. Do everything except for this. You know what else you're not supposed to do? Is put the tube back in. So.
It's true. Autumn famously once got a flat tire out riding by herself or with a few other folks.
With a few other people.
And
We're not going to disclose who those other people were.
took the tire off. Said, I don't know, tube looks fine. Put the tube back in, reinflated it. It immediately went flat.
Had to call.
For me to come pick her up.
Yep.
She's almost there. All right. Tires back on.
God damn it.
Struggling with the pump.
Something is not right.
Oh, did you get the pump all the way on?
Something like that. Nope, turns out the thing that was not right was just me. I see why people are getting caught up on this. This is hard. Okay, I'm really close. And there.
All right. 4 minutes, 20 seconds.
You know what? I am not embarrassed by that. I would ride this out. Look at us straight. Let's see. Boom.
Nice straight valve stem. Very professional.
It won't be done fast, but it will be done right.